see. I literally have, there's 4 actually. Getting ready to go to brunch with my friends. I've been using a lot of new makeup recently. Like, this is the concealer that I'm using now. You guys know this is like my baby. I have bought probably 5 tubes of this already, but this one's honestly a little bit darker. This was always the perfect shade match for me. It's in 4N, but I was gonna use this. Maybe I should too. I bought the big version of the Sun Glow. My little one still isn't done. I'm gonna use this for now. I used to use self tan on my face in like 2021, and then I started using acids on my face, and I use so you can't really use acids when you self tan because it breaks it up. I'm really excited. Also, I didn't show you guys my nails. I got little bows on them. I think they're so simple. I did a little TikTok vlog of them. Someone at Sephora recommended this concealer to my sister a while ago. I got this concealer brush also. I caved in because everyone tells me it's the best thing ever. It's from Hourglass. I wonder if this is like gonna change the game. I've used beauty blenders always. I always was worried that brushes would make my makeup look really splotchy, so I've always just used beauty blenders. Maybe I just haven't been using the right brushes because this is actually really nice. My concealer looks seamless. I love it. I've heard that the Kylie Cosmetics one is also a good dupe because I think this is like $36. It smells boy. I don't care. We're having a taco night. Or not taco night. We're having a taco day today with my family, my grandparents, and my aunt, my uncle. I don't know if this is a good taco seasoning. I don't even think my mom will use taco seasoning. I like to have something to drink while I edit, so I could make a matcha and I could make a coffee, but I got this boba set from TJ Maxx last week, so I really want to try it. They had a few flavors. They had matcha taro, I think they had brown tea or milk tea, or not brown tea, brown sugar, so they had quite a few, but they didn't have Thai tea, and that's my favorite boba flavor. If I ever get boba, it's gonna be Thai tea. It gives us an entire demo here, which is really nice. First you put the syrup, and then there's a boba pack for 15 seconds in the microwave. They give me straws. I went and washed this straw that I've had for I don't know how long. This is such a cute set. And now we have to cut it open before we put it in the microwave, even though there's like a little tear thing here. I feel like I might be squishing them. I don't think boba has a lot of ice, so I won't put too much. I think I put too much. I just came back from the gym and I made a little lunch. I feel like you can't see it properly. I used a lot of yesterday's leftovers. Best thing ever. I used leftover ground beef, cheese, avocado, sour cream. I think I'm gonna add this jalapeno sauce because I like things to be very saucy. I feel like there's no sauce on this. Okay, maybe now it's done. I'm going to Miami Beach. So Opali has a showroom there. I think I have one Opali dress from like 2020. I'm carrying these in the car because little fit check. so pale. I had laser last week, so I wasn't able to tan for 2 weeks, but I finally finished my laser. I don't know if you guys remember when I started it last year. I think I started it last summer, but I think I finally finished my 8 sessions, and now I do like touch-ups. I think I want to try the makeup products that I got from Ulta. I got the e.l.f. lip exfoliator, the Squeeze Me balm, and also strawberry. Apparently this is supposed to be a dupe for Summer Fridays. There's like no strawberry lip balm except the Glossier one that I actually got a few days ago. I don't think I added it in this vlog. And then I got this thing from Essence. It's like a blush stick. I haven't bought an e.l.f. lip exfoliator since I think like 8th grade. I remember they used to only have one type, and it was like this blue one, but it was shaped like a lipstick. Wait, is this edible? Wait, this is like a lip balm though. This is like moisturizing. Actually, I'm confused. Should I eat it or should I wipe it? Okay, so not edible. You see how it's like glossy? I'd say it's definitely on the moisturizing side because it's like a balm already. But let's try this now. I used to be such an e.l.f. fan. Like, I think I owned almost everything from e.l.f. back in high school. Okay, so it is tiny, but it is also $8. I like it. It's a little thicker. I guess we could put a little bit of this. This smells like watermelon. Oh, did I put too much? It's very natural, and I think I smell like Sour Patch now, which is not a bad thing. Also, I got a Yes Out package. You guys, look at my new phone case. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm not the biggest fan about the silver detailing. I completely forgot that I bought this, but I think it's so cute. I also got some new hair clips. This is the same brand from this one. This one I actually bought in Japan. This one is from Japan, but it's sold on Yesao. But look how cute. I got so many. I'm building my PC, so I actually have most of the parts in. I'm just missing my motherboard and my PSU and my AIO because someone stole it. I wish I was lying when I told you I got a box of dog balls in the mail and it was shipped as a cooler. I had the sticker for the shipment. Thankfully I got it on Amazon, so they're sending a replacement. And good thing that I already have to return packages from Amazon because I also have to return the dog balls. So some of you were like, oh, Ali's so lucky. I don't get to keep it. I think for now this is where I'm gonna put my PC. I don't like that it's not actually part of my setup. This is still way too small for it. Like I already tried to put it here and it's just way too cut off, and I know when I game and edit it's gonna be too tight. As of now, it will be here. Ideally I would want to move this monitor to that side, but I know it would be really annoying for my makeup area and it would show all the wires in the back. So now I'm gonna have to return like a million thousand things. I just have one. I literally have, there's 4 actually. Okay, bye. Okay. I want to try a new flavor, but I don't know if I'd get this peaches and cream. I just want it because it's really adorable. But my friend loves the Olipop grape. I do like the poppy one too, but I kind of want to do a comparison. Or I could do, I think I've heard about cream soda. I hate this book. Once Upon a Brooklyn. Really? So bad. Like, you're gonna hate it. Like, I'm okay. Oh, is this you? You heard it from me? Cammy says she hates this book. No, I can't say that. It's like slander. I really didn't like this book. Did you like the second book? No. Well, it's better than the first one. But you didn't like it? What was his name again? That's like put in my TBR on Goodreads. And then like immediately took it off because she was like, don't read it. Don't read it. It was so hyped up. I look crazy. I'm not an Olipop girl, but everyone talks about certain flavors. Some new Olipop flavors to try. I got this peaches and cream Barbie Club one. I don't even know if it's good. I got the strawberry vanilla because I heard that this is one of their best flavors, and a lot of like influencers that I see love this flavor, so I was like, okay, so maybe I've tried the wrong flavors. So I got this one, the classic grape one. She said that online it says it tastes like real grapes. The poppy one doesn't. It tastes like medicine almost, but like in a good way. I'm gonna want to try the peaches and cream one today. Actually, like I kind of want the grape, but this one's really intriguing.
I'm excited for
because I don't know if I like cream. Oh my god, I don't know if I
Wait, I like the smell.
Cheers.
It tastes like an ice cream. This tastes like the ice cream we bought.
Wait, what? Like the mochi?
No, the Mexican ice cream.
You've had that one?
It tastes like ice cream.
Wait.
It tastes like melted ice cream. I'm trying this. Wait, you didn't give any?
This one tastes like hameju.
No, that tastes like melted ice cream. No, it smells like the jelly bean. The peaches jelly bean. I love that one.
I think I like this one more than yours.
Mine literally tastes like ice cream. I guess that's that when it's like weird flavors, like strawberry, vanilla, like what? Like that's such a...
Yeah, honestly, I bought this solely for the packaging.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I literally sold her.
Because I saw and cream didn't really sound good. If it was just peach, I'd be like, hell yeah, I want that. But then I saw peaches and cream. Honestly, not bad. I think this one's very soda and poppy is more seltzer. Okay, that's our little rating.
Honestly, wait, we didn't even rate it. Honestly, I give this like a 7.5.
Wow, it's pretty high.
Yeah, I think
Mine's
it's great.
like a 7, 6.5. It's not that I don't like it, it's just like it's like a peach version of Milky's.
I love this.
Because it's like carbonated.
Like next time I go
know.
buying it, I'm probably gonna buy this one.
Like it's not bad. It's like candy.
It tastes like
it's
the
like a
jelly
healthy
bean.
candy.
If you guys ever had if you played Bean Boozled, this tastes like the peach one. It was like peach or vomit. Ew. That was so like pungent. This is awesome.
I hate that word. Pungent. Okay.
Bye. Bye.